Hello and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing us how you can identify what planting zone that you live in. So in order for you to be successful as a gardener, especially if you live in cold climates like Canada, the US, Russia, anywhere in the world where snow falls or where the weather gets really cold, then you really need to understand what planting zone you live in, because the planting zone you live in determines how long of a planting season that you have. And so if you have a shorter planting season, then you know that you will need to start some plants indoors so that you can get up to maybe a month of growing indoors before taking them out when the weather is now warm, so that you can ensure that all the plants that you're looking to grow can mature and be harvested before the cold comes again and kills them. And so I'm just going to go ahead and use a screen share and show you all how I figured out what planting zone I am in and how you can do the same for yourself. So let's get to that. Here I have the plant hardiness zones because I've already searched it out before. So I'm just going to click that. And then I have this very interesting website right here, planthardiness.gc.ca. So it shows us the plant hardiness zones all over Canada, and this is very helpful. So for example, I am in Ontario, but if you're in Manitoba, you're in Alberta, British Columbia, or anywhere in Canada, you can easily select that, and then it will take you to the specific city you're looking for the hardiness zone. So right here, I'm in Ontario, and then I'm in Barrie area of Ontario. So I'm just going to go ahead and select B. And as you can see here, Barrie is falls between the range of zone 5A to 5B. I would call it a 5B now because it says from 1981 to 2010 is 5B. So it should be within that range. And then all the way down. So we see here, for example, there's a place called Bearskin Lake, and that is, it falls under zone 1A and zone 1B. So what these numbers mean is that if you are under maybe around zone 1A, B, 2, 3, and all the rest of them, even up to 4 and 5, we have really shorter planting season, very short season of plant growing whatever you want to grow. But if your planting season is up to 6, 7, 8, 9A, 9B, thereabout, that means that you almost like have a full year, almost like your growing season is longer, and you can experiment with more plants. So which means you may not need to start growing some plants indoors, depending on whatever plant it is. Some of them you may just go ahead and grow them outdoors, sow them directly into the soil. That is basically why you need to know your plant hardiness zone. So I'm just going to leave a link to this website in the description box so that you can easily click it and find for yourself what hardiness zone you live in. I hope you found that explanation helpful. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to find out when to plant what exactly you want to grow based on your plant hardiness zone. So for example, if you want to start growing tomatoes, if you want to grow peppers, if you want to grow carrots and all the rest of them, when do you need to start growing those things indoors? That is, if you need to start indoors. And also beyond that, many of these websites are not going to show you when to start planting some of our African vegetables that I know that a lot of you are interested in growing. So in that upcoming video, I'm also going to show you how to figure out when to plant things like garden eggs, water leaf, green, and all whatnot. So thank you for your time, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks and all the best. Bye.